Just give 1 second. As per the new pattern that you all have been introduced, right? It is according to the NEP, that is a new education policy. You all will be having 2 terms, term 1 and term 2. Under this term 1, you will be having some PAs or PTs, whatever your school calls is, periodical test. And similarly, under term 2 also, you will be having some PAs and PTs. Plus, you will be having the projects or the practicals wherever they are applicable. There are some subjects like we have fine arts, they can be called as extracurricular. Then there are subjects like physical education. इन सब्जेक्ट्स की जो वेटेज अकॉर्डिंग टू बोर्ड्स है इट इज 60 and 40. दैट इज 60 इज थ्योरी एंड 40 इज प्रैक्टिकल. वेयर इज आपके सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक फिजिकल एजुकेशन आपका 70 and 30 आता है. So to make it a standardized format for all of you, that is for class 11 plus 12, they have said that all the subjects which is carrying for 60 marks, तो इनको भी हम लोग डिवाइड कर देंगे into 2 terms. Like if your subject theory is of 60 marks, so 30 marks का question paper आपका term 1 में होगा and 30 will be in term 2. Similarly, if it is of 70 marks, then it will be 35 and 35. And the same pattern goes if it is for 80 marks, then 40 in the term first, means 40 marks का आपका पहले टर्म में आएगा and 20 marks का आपका जो है सेकेंड, सॉरी 40 marks का आपके सेकेंड टर्म में आएगा. Now if we further look into it, अगर हम इसको और मतलब कि लेकर चलते हैं तो what we find is ये जो 20 मार्क्स होंगे दिस विल बी, जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बोला है, आपके पीटीज हो गए, आपके पीएज हो गए, या फिर आपका कोई प्रैक्टिकल हो गया, एएसएल हो गया, वो सारा आपका जो है इन प्रैक्टिकल्स वाले में आ जाएगा. So whatever language or subject which is of 80 marks आपका जो है you will be assessed on the skills of 40 plus 40. This will be the question paper pattern. Now as for CBSE, I do not know how the teachers schools are going to, but it is according to CBSE we have to implement it. जो हमारा term 1 होगा that should be based on objective, and जो हमारा term 2 होगा that should be based on subjective. And in the objective, what they have done is they have divided the paper into 3 sections: section A, section B and section C. For section A, you will be having the simplified MCQs, simple. And for section B, you will be having the complex, and इसके अंदर they might add assertions, जो questions हैं, even in language also. 12th के लिए तो already the books have come and even we have got the book from CBSE, and एक और book जो है it is going to come. फॉर 11th स्टैंडर्ड स्टिल दे हैवंट गिवन, तो वो यहाँ आ जाएगा. एंड सेक्शन सी दैट वुड बी मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स, यू कैन से डिफिकल्ट लेवल. इट कैन बी जैसे रीडिंग पैसेज आपका हो गया, दैट कैन कम. देन आपके केस बेस्ड स्टडीज हो गए, दैट, और पैसेज, दैट इज आरटीसी जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, वो आपका जो है इसमें आ जाएगा. So this is the pattern that they have designed for both 11th and 12th. And if they have told the schools that we have to implement it in the same manner for 11 and 12, same for 9th and 10th, उन्होंने ये manner बोला है. So that means when you are having your first term, you are preparing yourself for the first 40 marks using the MCQs, complex questions. Then आपका there would be an internal choice in all the 3 sections, right? And जो आपका section B होगा, that will comprise of more questions. That is, अगर आपका 40 मार्क्स बन रहा है तो 5 इज़ फॉर MCQs, द फर्स्ट वन तो 35. देन यहाँ पर 10 चला गया, दैट इज़ 15. देन आपका जो रेस्ट होगा दैट वुड बी फॉर योर सेक्शन बी, दैट इज़ 25. दैट वुड बी डिवाइडेड इन दैट सेंस. This will be the pattern that they have said that we have to implement. But of course 11th since it is a school based exam, many schools can take their own privilege also. हालांकि स्कूल में उन्होंने नहीं बोला, उन्होंने तो बोला स्ट्रिक्टली इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. बट जो पीटीज आपके होंगे, जो पीरियोडिकल टेस्ट वगैरह होंगे, उसके अंदर यू विल बी टाइम टू टाइम यू विल बी असेस फॉर योर what we call as subjective also. So that means each of the tests that you are giving in your schools, or the term 1 that would be there in September, you need to take it very seriously. That means it will be in September or October. Some schools, they haven't opened the this admission still. Maybe they are taking it in October or maybe by November also, because November 15th onwards we are having the exams for boards. Means that would be any time after November 15th. So this will be the pattern that you have been given, and I'll be following the same pattern. Of course I'm not going to leave subjective anyway. जैसे हमारे इंग्लिश के अंदर तो MCQs का मतलब वी हैव द ग्रामर ऑल्सो, वी हैव द लिटरेचर ऑल्सो, वी हैव द रीडिंग स्किल्स ऑल्सो. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लीव एनी थिंग एज सच. हाँ, जो राइटिंग स्किल्स है दैट मे बी असेस्ड इन योर PTs, बट जो बाकी चीज़ें हैं दैट कैन बी ईजिली असेस्ड थ्रू दिस टर्म. तो इसीलिए नाउ बी प्रिपेयर्ड, क्योंकि आपका जो ओवरऑल रिजल्ट होगा दैट इज टर्म 1 टर्म 2 मिलाकर, वॉट एवर द ओवरऑल रिजल्ट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव विल बी योर एंटायर रिजल्ट. नाउ टू बी ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, आई टेल यू, it's not the first time, second time, third term, now I can boast that it is more than 18 years, and it is a record that most of the children, they fail in 11th standard, most of them. And if I'm saying that most of them का मतलब हो जाता, I'm taking all those people also who are getting 90s and 100s. I'm not talking about the one who are getting 33 or 40. I'm talking about everyone from the top to the bottom. Because पहले यही होता था कि हम लोग जो है 11th स्टैंडर्ड को वी यूज टू टेक एज अ वेकेशन क्लास. हमें लगता था कि ठीक है यार वेकेशन, मतलब अभी तो टेंथ में तो वी हैव गॉट वेरी गुड मार्क्स एंड 11 के तो मार्क्स कहीं लगने नहीं है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव एनीथिंग, ट्वेल्थ में तो करना हमें, तो ट्वेल्थ में हम आराम से मार्क्स ले आएंगे. एंड देन बाय September I can say the students used to become serious. Seriously, I had students who used to join just in the nick of the moment. But then beta, everybody doesn't have the capability or doing everything at the 11th hour. और अब आपका जो है पूरे साल का आपका पेपर होगा, पूरे साल का आपका असेसमेंट होगा. नो डाउट योर मार्क्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी शोन एनीवेयर. कभी आपको नौकरी करनी है और यू हैव टू डू एनीथिंग, तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट, यू आर नॉट बॉदर्ड कि आपको 11th की मार्कशीट दिखानी है. लेकिन एक ग्राफ जो है इट ऑलवेज हैपन्स कि कम हो जाता है, एंड दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द केयरलेसनेस एंड सर्टन सब्जेक्ट्स हमें लगता है वी आर गोइंग टू मास्टर. डोंट टेक एनी सब्जेक्ट, एनी लैंग्वेज लाइट हार्टेडली. पूरे साल के मार्क्स लगने हैं. मे बी आपके जो पीटीज हैं अगर 3 हुए हैं तो उसमें से बेस्ट 2 के लगेंगे या बेस्ट 1 के लगेंगे. तो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. डोंट टेक एनीथिंग इन अ लाइट मैनर, एनीथिंग. ये मत सोचना कि मेरा भाई ने बताया था यार 11 तो यूं ही हो जाती है. यस, पहले होता भी था, लेकिन आपको मैं अपने एज अ टीचर आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई हैव फेल्ड 28 स्टूडेंट्स आउट ऑफ 40 इन माई क्लास. एंड उसमें से ऐसे भी बच्चे थे जिन्होंने मतलब कि बोर्ड्स के अंदर दे हैड गॉट 85 और 86 मार्क्स, येट दे फेल्ड बिकॉज सब्जेक्ट्स न्यू होते हैं. यू डोंट पे अटेंशन. आपको लगता है अभी तो 11th में तो हम लोगों के मार्क्स कहीं जुड़ने नहीं है, चलो यार 33 भी आ गए, ठीक है, इट्स ओके, 12th में देखा जाएगा. डोंट थिंक इन देखा जाएगा वाला वर्क. Your schools have been clearly told that this will be the format that they need to follow. They have been clearly told that this will be the format that we need to follow. They have been clearly told that we have to divide the syllabus and the work accordingly. Please make it sure कि आप लोग उसको अच्छे से करते हो. Don't leave any subject as ठीक है इसको मैं थोड़ा, everything will become your base. Ultimately everything will become a base और आपके अंदर ना एक रेगुलरिटी आ जाएगी. और अकॉर्डिंग टू NEP वी आर ऑलरेडी, हमारे को बोला गया है, नॉट मतलब कि नाउ, इवन फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स, वेदर पैंडेमिक इज देयर और नॉट, द सिस्टम विल बी 2 boards. And the government schools in Delhi are going to get a separate state board also. But अभी तो सिर्फ आपके गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स विल बी एफिलिएटेड टू देम. अभी पब्लिक स्कूल्स को नहीं दिया गया है ऑप्शन, तो यू विल बी अंडर CBSE एंड बट 2 board सिस्टम जो है दैट हैज़ बीन ऑलरेडी डन. तो दैट मीन्स इस साल और अगले साल तो आपका यही सिस्टम जाएगा. So be prepared, work hard from the very first day, right? Last class we had a test and today I am going to take the grammar concept of determiners. It is a part. Now in your grammar, means in your boards, in your terms, you will be having, you may have, I think, I'll not say you will, fill-ups. Then you may have editing. You will be having rearrange. I think that your batch had not done rearrange. आपके जो sentences होते हैं उन्हें उल्टा सीधा लिखा हुआ होता है and you have to, ठीक है ना. सो यू विल बी assessed ऑन द स्केल्स ऑफ fill-ups, editing, rearrange. आपको जो है MCQs के थ्रू जो है दे विल बी गिवन, ठीक है. Now, determiners we have been doing since we are in third class or fourth class. In fact, second class I can see. We do not define as determiner in second class. उस वक्त में हम बच्चों को कहते हैं कि बेटा दिस पास के लिए लगता है, दैट दूर के लिए लगता है. We teach the children that this is used for something which is near and that is used for something which is far away. So we start off with determiners even when we are in second or third class. So the word determiner का मतलब होता है to tell, determine the quantity of nouns, the subject that we are talking about. We have lots of determiners. We have determiners which comes under completely one club, that is articles. Then we have this, that, these, those. We divide it into different. हम लोगों को ऐसा नहीं करना यहाँ पर, because you are not going to get into different. Distributive, then you have possessive, then like my, your, his, her, its. Then quantitative, 1, 2, 3, 4. Distributive, many, more, much, little, every, all, each. And the number goes on. The words which we use to determine, to tell, जैसे हम बोलते हैं, एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, all the girls wore sari. Here the determiner all is determining the girls. We also have predeterminers. शायद आप में से किसी ने सुना हो. Anyone who has heard this? Predeterminers. You must have definitely heard, but you must have not noticed it. Yes, Moulika, would you like to? You must have definitely done it, but you must have not done it as this definition. No one? Subhadeep, Anusha, Anshika? No one? Kashish? Okay, now let us come. Yes या no तो बोल दिया करो. How can I come to know? We are
No,
not.
ma'am.
We are not here to. I'm not here to taunt you or tell you. मतलब I just want to tell you कि some words are called as predeterminers, but we don't have any word which is called as predeterminer. Like हम बोलते हैं, ये सबको हम determiners बोलते हैं. But when we start this concept, तो हमारा आता है प्री डिटरमाइनर को हम सबसे पहले लेते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज प्री डिटरमाइनर? यानी कि अब जैसे मैंने ये वाला सेंटेंस लिया है, ऑल द गर्ल्स वोर साड़ी. Now you can see that in this already the is here. It is determining girls. और ये जो all है, all मतलब the girls wore साड़ी, all the girls wore साड़ी, तो जो ये all है ये the को भी determine कर रहा है. This is called as when we use the determiners, दो determiners को हम साथ में use करते हैं, then we call them as predeterminers. Like all those apples were rotten. Here already those is written and we are determining it with all. This is called as predeterminers. We come across such sentences daily in our life. The only thing is that we exactly don't define it as predetermined. Right? Now the next is the use of. We have already done, yet as a part of syllabus we will be doing it again. Means we have done it in 9th and 10th standard, I mean to say. The use of articles a and the या the. The या the. Monica, when do we use the and when do we spell out the?
We say the when we use it before any consonant, a word starting with consonant, and we use the when we use it before a word starting with a vowel.
Very nice. Thanks God that you remember. Yes. हम लोग वैसे लिखते तो THE है, बट हम जब बोलते हैं तो certain times we say the and certain times we say the. जैसे कि the book. Even though we slip out our tongue, but the book, b is consonant. The apple की जगह the apple, because apple is starting with the sound of vowel. That's the difference, right? चलिए next, now come, where do we use a and the or the? Both a and an, both are determiners for a single common object. Both are used for a single common object. मतलब जो common होता है. अब हम ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं a रमा, anything which is common noun. A book, a book. So anything which is common noun in singular, we also call it. Then we use it when we are using it for any generic reference. Now what is generic reference? Means हम किसी bird के बारे में, हम किसी एनिमल जिसका नाम है like a beagle, मतलब हम जनरल में बात बता रहे हैं कि जो बीगल्स होते हैं, मतलब जो डॉग्स होते हैं, दे मतलब कि उनकी जो है स्पेशल क्वालिटी है, दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ हंटिंग डॉग. तो हम कहते हैं अ बीगल हैज द क्वालिटी ऑफ हंटिंग. तो व्हेन वी आर, मतलब ये बीगल जो है ये जेनेरिक है, दिस इज अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर डॉग टू अ स्पीशीज. जेनेरिक मीन्स टू अ स्पीशीज. वहां हम अ यूज कर लेते हैं. Then we use it with the positive, that is the base form of adjective. This is one of the common mistake that we do, and when there is editing, when there is omission, when there is fill in the blanks, ये हमारा सबसे common होता है जो हम mistake करते हैं. We do it. हम लोग इस mistake को सबसे ज़्यादा करते हैं. That is now great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Greater is comparative form and greatest is the superlative form. So while we are using the positive form, that is the base form, then we use a. That is if it is starting with the consonant. Consonant sound के साथ अगर start होता है तो हम use करते हैं a. A great leader. So we use it with the positive. Yeah.
Ma'am, can we use it is a very it is a nice day. So nice is
Right.
also a
Yeah.
positive form of
Yes,
adjective,
formal. Yeah.
right?
Yes, definitely. That is the what we call as principle or what we call as rules.
Okay.
That is the rule that we have. Right? Next is आपका आता है anyone, if anyone has any question, like we have 2 or 3 students who are new, अगर आपको कोई problem होती है तो you can definitely ask on the it should not be like if I ask तो बुरा हो जाएगा, ऐसा मत सोचना. We also call a and an as indefinite articles. हम इनको indefinite भी कहते हैं, मतलब इनको हम जो है we call as indefinite. का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Means we are generally हम इनको refer कर रहे हैं. Generally, I saw a boy. I saw a boy. So that is why it is indefinite, because it's a general version. Now the second one comes is we use a with sounds of consonant. ये हमेशा याद रखना. Not as part of your 11th, as a part of your English any time. Not today, not tomorrow, whenever you are having. If you say that I have mastered in English, that means you should, आपका जो है without mistake flawlessly you should be able to understand that जब हम sounds बोलते हैं, we are not saying a is used with consonant. I defined it that a is used with the sounds of consonants. Consonant के sound के साथ use होगा. And now when it comes to an, it is used with the sounds of vowels. Many a times students in 6th, 7th, 8th normally they define कि मैम हम and जो है we use with vowels. हम vowels के साथ and use करते हैं. That is a wrong definition. We don't use it with vowels, we use it with the sounds of vowels, जिनको हम स्वर कहते हैं. Now if we look, तो a हमको जो है normally it gives us the sound of a or a, like arrow and almond. It's not almond, it is almond. So when it is arrow, a, and a, almond, we use an when it is giving the sound of what we say as gives the sound of e, and in some case when u is also used, so it also gives the sound of year. It also gives the sound of year, like euro, elephant, engineer, so when it is producing these kinds of sounds, e, we again use an. I uses e and I. It gives the sound of e and I, like inland, island, inland, island. So again it is an. Now comes O. It produces the sound of O. It produces the sound of O, and it produces the sound of V. Right? Orange, owner, orange, office. It's giving you the sound of O. It's giving you the sound of O. Again, it is giving the sound of O. Right? But it also gives V, like one, V, one. So, when it is giving the sounds of what we call as O or O, then we use singular के लिए an. But if it is producing the sound of V, like one, it's not on, it is one, then we use a. A 1 rupee coin, a one-eyed man, right? Last but not the least is U. U gives us the sound of again a and year. Underwriter, In underwriter, the word is a. And in unicorn and universal, the sound is y. So when we are having a sound, then we use an. And the same u, if it is giving the sound of y, one of the most common mistakes that we do कि एन मैम हमें तो एन लिखना है बिकॉज एन यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ I saw an unicorn because U is a vowel. That's a wrong perception. So if you do it, correct it. अगर आपका sound या आ रहा है, then you will be using a. I saw a unicorn. It is a universal truth. A. So this is the rule for a and an. And of course, an is also used before the positive adjectives in singular when the sound is vowel. The sound is vowel, like an intelligent boy. An intelligent boy. So we are using an. Right? Anyone who wants to ask anything? The is a long concept. It is used with both singular as well as it is used with plurals. The boy next to you is my brother. The boys in class 11 are too notorious. We can use it both with both singular as well as with plurals. Right? The is used to determine particular nouns. I'll not be using the word common here because there are some rules where we use it with even proper nouns. But the is never used with the name of any person. The Rama, the Anshika, there is nothing like that. We use it to determine the particular noun. Like if I've said, I bought a bag of books. The bag is made up of jute. So I'm now particularly talking about the bag which I had bought. So it is made up of jute. Yani ki that becomes particular. That becomes particular. मैं उसी द के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, उसी बैग के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ जो मैं लेकर आई थी. Secondly, the is used with The superlative form of adjectives. We had earlier studied that with the positive forms, we have a or an. And when it is a superlative degree, then we need to use the. And it is one again a common mistake that we do. We do this mistake it is very common. She is the best singer of our class. Here, best is superlative degree and we are using the before it. So it is called as, this is the second rule. And it is one of the very common कि हम the कहीं पर भी लगा देते हैं. Then we use it with all kinds of monuments, rivers, mountains, oceans, continents, the Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan. The river Nile flows in Egypt. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. This way, anything which is particular, we have to use. The next is, it is used with all the natural elements. The sun, the earth, the moon. So we use the. It is used with truth. We never say that he spoke a truth. It is always he spoke the truth. He spoke a lie आता है, but he spoke a truth नहीं आता है. He spoke the truth होता है. It is never he spoke a truth. Truth is always universal. और इसीलिए we use the truth. कहीं पर भी बोलते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं the truth. कहीं पर भी, wherever you are writing, it is there. Right? Then we use the with directions. The east, the west, the south, the north. It is used with all the directions. Then we use it with the words which are ending with th, मीन्स यहाँ पर जो आपके ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स होते हैं लाइक फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, ऐसे जो वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके साथ. ही वॉज द फोर्थ टू कम, ही वॉज द फिफ्थ टू कम. देयर वी यूज इट. We use it with some countries like US or UK because they are combination of many states. The USA, the UK, but we never say the India. Neither it is a India, neither it is an India, neither it is the India. It is only India. It is only India. The Times of India, the Deccan Chronicle, the Principle. यही मैं आप लोगों को whenever I am doing the questions of letter writing जब मैं करवाती हूँ तो I always tell that कि आप लोगों को जो है you have to use the editor. The editor. So this is how the principle, the editor. The prime minister, the chief minister, the chief minister. It's not a chief minister, it is the chief minister. Then some names of ships or trains, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani, the Rajdhani, it is used. But we never use it in before any name. हम किसी भी name के साथ में जो है we do not use. So this is what we call as some rules of a and the. The is also called as the definite article because it is normally used to determine something which is definite. Now, मैंने आपको ऊपर जो है I had taught you that we have, I'll be taking 5 minutes more. We use an before the sounds of vowels and we use a before the sounds of consonants. So now let us come to those two areas कि कभी कभी क्या होता है आपके जैसे we are having the consonants, sorry, vowels A, E, I, O, U. This we have already done. इसके अंदर we have seen that U and O जो है that can even produce a sound of A. Now we are having this consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, X, Y and Z. तो अब क्या होता है इनमें भी, each of them, sometimes what happens is when you are pronouncing the entire word, the sound may be consonant. Member of parliament, member of parliament. Here the sound coming is m, so we use अ. बट अगर हम इसी को शॉर्ट फॉर्म कर देते हैं, वी आर शॉर्ट, मतलब हमने इसको शॉर्ट कर दिया. नाउ दिस इज नॉट मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बट दिस इज एम पी. एम पी. तो यहां when we are saying member तो म आया, लेकिन जब हमने एम पी बोला है तो यहां पर ए आया. सो when ए आ रहा है तो इट वुड बी एन एम पी. एन एम पी. Same is with other words also, like X-ray. We say X-ray. It is not Z-ray, it is X-ray. So it is again giving the sound of X. So get an X-ray done. Get an X-ray done. The same principle goes for words like N. It is N G O. An NGO. My uncle runs an NGO. So any word when you are writing, when you are spelling, you are pronouncing, अगर वो वॉवल साउंड दे रहा है लाइक एन जी ओ, तो वो वॉवल का साउंड दे रहा है एन, देन वी यूज एन. बट द सेम वर्ड नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो वो नॉन गवर्नमेंटल हो जाता है, तो वहां अ नॉन गवर्नमेंटल होता है. वर्ड वही है बट व्हेन वी आर स्पेलिंग इट आउट तो वी हैव टू सी कि व्हाट इज द साउंड दैट इज कमिंग. And that is why when we use a word like our, honor, even though they are starting with H, but we don't spell it as hour. We don't spell it as hour. We are spelling it as R. R. H-O-U-R-R. So that means we need to use an hour. We need to use an hour. An honorable man. A honorable नहीं, an honorable man. In a nutshell, I can say that while placing your what we call as the articles, you must emphasize basically on the words what you are speaking or writing, not on the word कि वो M है तो it is a consonant, so let us become. अगर वो member of parliament है तो definitely it is going to be a member of parliament, but if we are spelling it out, we are pronouncing it as MP, so then definitely it is going to come as an MP. So that is a difference. So we need to understand. And for the placing of the or the, you need to see that आप किसके आगे कर रहे हो. If it is, we use it with plurals also, we use it with singular also, but there are certain words जिनके साथ हम the या the लगाते. So these are the rules that we use for The first set of determiners, that is आपका a and the, that is articles. In the next class, we'll move towards the next set of articles that would be completed in a day itself. Then we will be doing some exercises pertaining to the same, right?